Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe is the best silver knife for your kitchen, the Kuisine Chef Knife Set, Ivory Pro 15 PCS Edition. Let's dive into what makes this product not only popular, but also a professional-grade staple for any serious home cook or aspiring chef. From the moment you open the box, the presentation is striking. The ivory-colored knife block is sleek and modern, but don't let the aesthetic fool you. This set is built for performance. It's forged from high-carbon stainless steel, offering a perfect combination of strength, durability, and long-lasting sharpness. What do you get in the set? 15 pieces in total, and each one has a specific role in your kitchen. You'll find an 8-inch chef's knife for your everyday chopping, slicing, and dicing, an 8-inch slicing knife, a 7-inch santoku knife. With excellent balance for precision work, an 8-inch serrated bread knife, a 5-inch utility knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife for peeling and trimming. That's just the start. You also get 6 5-inch steak knives, a pair of kitchen shears, and the beautifully crafted wooden block, which includes a built-in sharpener. And that sharpener? It's a game changer. No need to take your knives to a professional or struggle with handheld tools. Just a few passes through the built-in sharpener and your blades are back to peak sharpness. Let's talk about construction. These knives are forged, not stamped, which means they're made from a single piece of steel that's heated and shaped into the perfect blade. This process not only enhances durability, but also improves control and balance. It's the kind of quality you'd expect from much higher-end brands, but here it's available at a fraction of the price. The handles are patented ergonomic designs, triple riveted for a secure grip. They feel solid in your hand, offering just the right amount of weight without causing fatigue, even when you're prepping for a big dinner. Whether you're a weekend cook or preparing meals every day, the comfort level here is unmatched. Dimensions-wise, the block is compact enough to sit comfortably on your counter, measuring about 10 inches long, 7 inches wide, and just under 15 inches high. It doesn't demand a lot of space, yet it delivers so much utility. What really impressed us is how this knife set blends traditional craftsmanship with modern innovation. The high-carbon stainless steel holds its edge well, and the blades go through a multi-step process of forging, quenching, and polishing. A set of blades that slice like butter and hold their edge longer than many competitors. Even better, Kuisine offers reliable warranty service. Each set undergoes strict quality inspection, and the brand encourages you to reach out if you encounter any issues. That's the kind of customer support that builds trust. One caveat. Depending on where you're located, this particular item might not ship to your address, so make sure you check the delivery options before purchasing. To wrap up, the Kuisine Chef Knife Set, Ivory Pro 15 PCS, is not just about looks, it's a professional-grade set designed for anyone who takes their cooking seriously. It's beautiful, functional, durable, and thoughtfully engineered. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen tools and want something that looks as good as it performs, this might just be your next best buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. See you in the next review.